Hello YouTube friends. Well, I just got these deliveries in the mail from Coach, and I did take part in one of their sales because I'm going to try and not buy any bags in September. So of course I bought 3 at the very end of August, right? That doesn't really count, but anyhow. So I just wanted to go over these 2 bags with you, and I didn't do an unboxing because each one of these was sent in a bag, which is what Coach Outlet does sometimes, unfortunately. But I am really impressed. I really like both of them, and so I'm gonna go over them with you. So the first one is the, let's see, it's the Foldover Crossbody clutch in color block, and the color is ivory with light saddle on the sides, if you can see that. And then this is kind of like I think it's like a teak color. It's not black, it's like a really, really dark brown. And then it's got the gold hardware on it too. Look how thin that tiny little strap is. This is so cute though. If you detach the strap, you can use it just kind of like a little clutch. And the reviews on this are really mixed, so I wasn't sure, but I just want to go over it with you. Let me see what the dimensions are on this one according to the site. Let me see. If you hear my cat scratching, that's my old cat trying to get in, but oh my goodness. It's one of those things where you have things pulled up and then the minute you start recording, it goes away. Okay, so here it is. Now this one, the original price is in here. They had a tag in here. I partially unboxed these, not completely. I think it's in the, okay, here. Okay, the original price on this is $250 supposedly, and I got it for $85, which I thought was a great deal. It's really, really cute. Now it's 8 inches long, 4 3/4 inches high, and 1.5 inches wide, which is really tiny, but you can see that it expands. So it's all nice pebbled leather. You've got a nice pocket in the back. Let me see if my phone would fit back there. I have this phone charger. Oh, perfect, yeah. So even a fat phone would fit back there. So depending on what kind of case you have, or if you have a pop socket, it might not, but that fits fine. I thought I was gonna have to put it inside. You've got an adjustable strap. The strap is really nice. Let's see what the strap drop is on this. It doesn't say. It's got kind of, you know how sometimes the Coach Outlet puts information for different bags on here. It says it's got a chain handle. It does not have a chain handle. So anyhow, I think the dimensions are right though. You've got a snap closure here, and that's what a lot of people complained about. They said it's too hard to do, but mine doesn't have any problem snapping it at all. I mean, maybe it's different when I'm wearing it and out and about, but I mean, yeah, it's a sturdy snap. But what you can do to get around that, if you've got a snap that's really, really sticky, you can always put a little tiny piece of Scotch tape over the hole, and it'll bounce it up just enough so that it's not so hard to snap and unsnap. So, and then the interior of the bag is also leather, kind of like the leather that they use lining the notebooks and stuff. So it's got that. It's got a leather tab here. This is very nice. Then you've got these little rings here, so that's where these tiny little strap clips go on. So if you want to take them off, you can fold the rings in, and it's just a clutch. And you've got the Coach logo right there. I like this ivory color. I don't think I have anything in this color. But what I really liked about it is that, I'm trying to do this with one hand, is that inside here you've got a bunch of card pockets. So you do not need to carry a separate wallet or card case at all. And these are all the leather too. And then this is fabric lining for bills or something in the back. And then you've got a pretty good sized little compartment here for anything else, like a phone. Let me try putting my phone case in. Yeah, very easy. So I will definitely need to carry my keys too, and the phone can go in the back pocket. Don't need to carry a wallet with this. This is the wallet. And then you've got a zippered section in the front here, which opens up really nice and wide, and that's lined in fabric. And here's the information. Leather, I don't know what MUC, color block, I do not know. Usually I can tell what they're trying to say. This time I'm kind of flummoxed. Let's see, this is the Foldover. Boy, the way they chose to abbreviate Foldover, that's something. And I don't know what MUC stands for. Clutch? Something clutch? Crossbody? Anyhow, here's the code information if you're interested. It's right there. And give me the care card. So that is very cute. Now the size of this I want to also compare to a similar tiny bag I have, which is the Noah pop-up. And you can see that the Noah is longer by a little bit, and it's definitely a deeper bag. You can get more into the Noah. That's a good view. You can see how different they are, but kind of similar feeling, and very, very lightweight. I think this is going to be a very comfortable carry. I look forward to using it. I really like it. That is cute. Okay, now the next one I got is one I was so excited to see, and I was so scared because it was just in one of those padded envelopes, and it didn't get dented or scratched at all. It's beautiful. This is the little small camera bag with quilting, and I believe this is the same leather that they make the the puffy tabbies out of. That's the name for them, Napa leather. Yeah. So the dimensions on this one are 7 3/4 long, 5 3/4 high, and 2.5 inches deep. This is a squatty little bag. It is so cute and so comfortable on. And then I really like the strap. It's got this kind of brass colored hardware, but it's super light. I mean, this is like weightless. Then you've got the strap portion that adjusts, which is really a nice touch. And they just hook on the sides there. So here's the information about it. Quilted leather camera bag. Regular price for US is $3.50, and the color is Canyon, and there's the code there. But this is so cute. It feels so luxurious, and I really do like the Canyon color. I think it's so pretty. That's what I was really excited to see. There is no the pillow tabby, that's what I was thinking of. It feels like that same material. It's really nice. And it doesn't feel, I was kind of worried that it would be really easy to scratch. It doesn't feel easy to scratch at all. I mean, no more than any other except for pebbled. But that Canyon color is so pretty. And here's the side. And you've got the little coach hang tag right there. And this is a retail bag that I got from the outlet. And so I spent, I think it was $145. As opposed to $3.50. So I thought that was reasonable. You've got a little area here, front pocket. It's all lined in leather, which is super nice. And let me see if this would fit. No. I would say no. You're not going to get your phone in there. So that's kind of a bummer. But I can put my keys in there. And then lift this up with one hand. It's got a nice dust bag that it came with. Coach is getting on it with their dust bags. I'm getting them in everything. It's wonderful. So silky dust bag, and then here's the little paperwork on it. Nothing I haven't already shown you. And inside, oh, that's a good shot. You can really see it. You have everything's leather, all leather lined. I am just obsessed with things that are leather lined. You've got a pocket in the back here. And the creed is right there, printed into the pocket, and that's it. You've got a pocket there. You've got a cute little tiny card pocket here like they have on the interior of the robes, but it's all leather. So nice. Very nice. Let's see what's in this little pocket. In the pocket we have a little care card. So that is that. Very cute. Now let me see how a phone would fit inside. Oh yeah, no problem at all. Look at that. Because it's wider, you're going to have room for a lot of stuff to fit. So I look forward to packing this up and see what fits in here. Feels like this little pocket has fabric on one side. It looks like the branded Coach brown fabric, if you can see that. And then the rest is all leather. That really lends to a very luxurious feel for this bag. Very cute. Well, I hope you like this little mini haul. I figured I got 2 bags, but they were both the size of half a bag, so it only counts as 1 bag, right? So, yeah, very cute. It's got the Coach branding right there on the sides. But yeah, this little bag feels good, but it still feels sturdy to me. It's not lightweight. This one isn't as light as the Anna. The Anna is definitely a much lighter bag. Here it is. I don't even know where I stuck it. Yeah, that's a much lighter bag, but they are still in the mini bag realm. So your phone will not fit in the front of this pocket unless it's a tiny, like a folding Samsung one. But it does fit inside here, and it fits here perfectly, and also in the back. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.